Let me ask you something. What if I told you that one simple habit could make you happier? Sharper, stronger, and even younger, all at once. That habit is running. It doesn't require a gym, equipment, or a trainer. All you need is a pair of shoes and a little bit of consistency. Starting to run regularly can be tough at first. But once you stick with it, the benefits are life-changing. So, what exactly happens to your body when you start running every day? Watch this video till the end, because by the time we're done, you might just want to lace up your sneakers and head out the door. Let's go. You will be happier. The first thing that happens is simple. You'll feel happier. According to research, even a 30-minute run is enough to lift your mood, especially if you're dealing with stress or mild depression. And here's the best part. You don't even have to run fast to feel it. Just moving at a steady, walking-like pace can trigger that mental boost. When you run, your brain releases endorphins, the natural feel-good chemicals that create what's known as the runner's high. It's that feeling of calm, clarity, and confidence that hits you after a good run. So if you ever wake up feeling low, just remember, a half-hour jog can work better than coffee or scrolling your phone. You will burn more calories. The second change is that you'll start burning a lot more calories. Running is one of the fastest ways to torch fat because your whole body is moving at once. For example, a person who weighs around 70 kilograms burns about 20 calories per minute while running at a moderate pace. That's roughly 360 calories in just half an hour. And if you run uphill, against the wind, or pick up your speed, the calorie burn goes even higher. So if your goal is to lose fat and keep it off, running should be your best friend. You will have stronger knees. Next, you'll be surprised to know that running actually strengthens your knees. A lot of people think running ruins your joints, but studies show the opposite. Runners are less likely to have knee problems compared to people who don't run at all. That's because running helps maintain a healthy mass body weight while strengthening your muscles, bones, and ligaments. Every time your feet hit the ground, your lower body adapts, becoming tougher and more resilient over time. Activities like swimming or walking are great, but they don't challenge your bones and muscles in the same way running does. You will strengthen your heart. Another major change happens inside your chest. Your heart becomes stronger. Running is one of the best aerobic exercises for cardiovascular health. It boosts your circulation, improves oxygen delivery, and trains your heart to work more efficiently. And here's the good news. You don't need to run for hours. Even 10 minutes of light jogging a day can reduce your risk of heart disease as long as you do it consistently. So, think of every run as a small investment in your heart's future. Your brain will get sharper. Now, let's talk about your brain. If you find yourself forgetting where you left your keys or what you had for lunch yesterday, running can help more than you think. When you run, your heart pumps more blood to your brain, which improves memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Research shows that regular aerobic activity increases the growth of new brain cells and enhances your ability to learn and remember things. So, running doesn't just build your muscles, it sharpens your mind. You will sleep better. Another amazing change is that your sleep quality will improve. In one study, people who ran for about 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, reported falling asleep faster and waking up more refreshed. They also felt calmer and less anxious throughout the day. So, if you've been struggling with restless nights, running might be the most natural sleep aid you can find. Your immune system will get stronger. Running also boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off illnesses. Regular aerobic exercise helps your immune cells move more efficiently, reducing the risk of catching colds or even serious diseases. Studies show that people who exercise consistently have a lower chance of developing certain cancers and live longer, healthier lives. In short, running trains your immune system just like it trains your muscles. It makes it stronger and smarter. You will build beautiful legs. And let's be honest, running also changes how your body looks. since the biggest muscles in your body are in your legs. Running engages all of them: your quads, calves, hamstrings, and glutes. It also activates your core and back muscles to keep your body stable with every step. As a result, you'll not only tone your legs, but also strengthen your entire body. How to run safely every day. Now, before you grab your shoes and head outside, let's talk about running safely. First, always wear proper running shoes. Regular sneakers aren't built to handle the impact. Using them can lead to injuries. Second, increase your running distance and speed gradually. Don't rush. Consistency matters more than intensity. Third, include other activities like swimming or cycling to balance your training. And don't forget to warm up before running and stretch afterward to keep your muscles flexible, if possible. Get feedback from a coach or watch your form in the mirror to correct mistakes early. Street running versus treadmill running. Now, here's a common question. Should you run outdoors or on a treadmill? Running outside feels more natural and gives you a stronger sense of movement and progress. It's mentally refreshing and helps you connect with your environment. However, if you live in a city with high pollution or bad weather, treadmill running is safer and more consistent. The air inside gyms is filtered, and you can control your pace and incline easily. If you live near a park or a green area, outdoor running is ideal because it gives you fresh oxygen and a natural energy boost. But if conditions aren't great, the treadmill is a perfectly fine option. The best place to run is the one that keeps you running regularly. So now that you know how running transforms your body, mind, and mood, I want to hear from you. Do you run regularly? And where do you prefer running, outdoors or on a treadmill? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to read them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more science-backed health and fitness content.